In order to change your life, you need to learn this first. Have you noticed some of the things that we complain about these days? I was flying on the weekend for the first time in a while due to the travel restrictions, and I was using the free Wi-Fi at 30,000 feet. Pretty cool, right? But it wasn't very good. There were some apps that I wanted to use, but they just wouldn't load. And I could sense my frustration growing. And can you relate to that? I bet you can. And I've noticed that we are living in a world where there's a real sense of entitlement. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Today, I've got some tough love for you, as I want to show you exactly why it is that you are stuck. But the good news is, I'm also going to give you the solution and how you can move past that feeling for better results in life and your business. You see, somehow we believe someone, something, somewhere, something is responsible for filling up our lives with excitement and joy and happiness, all these things to make our life great. Somehow or something is responsible for that. I was that guy. I was sick and tired of my life, and I was complaining about it until I met my first mentor and told her my business was not doing well. I was struggling to make it work. I complained about customers not wanting to spend, the cost to run my business, the lack of support from the government for a small business. I was complaining and bitching, and my mentor said to me, she said, "Andrew, if your business sucks, it's because you suck. If your sales suck, it's because you suck as a salesperson. If you're not getting enough leads, it's because you suck as a marketer. And unless and until you take 100% responsibility for your own life, your life will suck." I know, harsh, right? But let me tell you, it was totally fair. She was absolutely right. If you want to change your life, change your results, the first thing that you must learn is to take 100% responsibility for everything that you experience in your life. That includes the level of your achievements, the results that you produce, the quality of your relationships. Everything that's happening in your life, you are 100% responsible for. Yes, we could blame the government, blame the virus, your parents, your kids, you could blame everybody else. But until we take charge, until we say, you know what, if this isn't working as we want, it's my fault, nothing will change. So let me share a poem with you to demonstrate. Chapter 1 of my life. I walk down the street. There's a deep hole in the sidewalk. I fall in. I'm lost. I'm helpless. It's my fault. It takes forever to find a way out. Chapter 2. I walk down the same street. There's a deep hole in the sidewalk. I pretend I don't see it. I fall in again. I can't believe I'm in the same place. But it isn't my fault, and it still takes a long time to get out. Chapter 3. I walk down the same street. There's a deep hole in the sidewalk. I see it there. I still fall in. It's a habit. My eyes are open. I know where I am. It's my fault. I get out immediately. Chapter 4. I walk down the same street. There's a deep hole in the sidewalk. I walk around it. Chapter 5. I walk down a different street. So stop whining and complaining. You don't like your job? Who applied for the job in the first place? You. You don't like your business? Who started that business in the first place? You. You don't like your employees? Who hired them? You. You don't like that you're in debt? Who chose to spend the money in the first place? You. It was your words, your decisions, your actions or inactions, not doing something that created that result, and you'll be judged by it. You created your own results. Now you could watch 1,000 motivational videos, get all pumped up, all psyched up and all those things, and guess what? Unless and until you take 100% responsibility for your own life, nothing's going to change. You don't like your circumstances? Change them. You don't like your problems? Fix them. You don't like that person? Get rid of them out of your life. That's what we have to do. If you're unhappy, unfulfilled, unsuccessful, please keep it to yourself. The rest of us, we don't want to know and don't want to hear about it. Keep those stories to yourself. Now, if you're serious about changing your life and taking responsibility for your own results, I challenge you to get started building your business and joining my inner circle today. Here's how it works. Instead of watching Netflix all weekend and wasting your time, Click the link in the description to join my inner circle today, where you will join a 30-day challenge to get your business up and running and earning an income in the next 30 days. Think of it as a cleanse from the stuck mindset. Upgrade your mindset, upgrade your habits, upgrade your skill set. 30 days of daily action. I know what it takes. I hear you might be thinking, I can't do it, I can't afford it. This is just a sales pitch. No, this is just mind freak BS. 30 days of my personal support would normally cost $5,000, but you can join the inner circle and the 30-day challenge for just $100, which is the cheapest mindset and business training you'll ever get. And it comes with so much more, including your own business at the end. You taking this challenge won't change my life one bit. So don't listen to the mind freak. It's keeping you from your dreams. Join the challenge and let's get your mindset, your business and your life set up for success in the next 30 days. Ask yourself this question: what would your life be like if you took 100% responsibility for your life today? Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and showed you the simplest way to change your life, your results, and how to get to your dreams without having to feel stuck. Now, if you want to get step-by-step hand-holding tuition and my personal support for 30 days, click the link in the description to join my inner circle before I start charging the real value that comes with the program. So thanks for watching today's training. I know it was a little bit of tough love. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to join the inner circle today. Just click the link in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days.